Backwards Bob. See that? That's where he drives a bit backwards. And this is the old grave digger, which used to be out years ago. And then it's got this little file in it. And this is Hurricane Frost. This is my favourite. And it is a bit like a rainbow. And this is Black Stallion of shiny gold wheels on it. This is Derailed that people won through a competition. Is that called, Dad?
That one is called Martial Law.
And this is Martial Law. It's a blue. And Patriot. This has got a red bottom. Aftershock. See that? That's where the earth is. And that says Aftershock. Then my new pile there. I need my pile that I buy after the news. So this one is Rap Attack, which has got a green glow on that bottom. And this one is Batman. Batman has got some wings and some exhaust. This is US Air Force Afterburner, which he looks very golden bright. And this is Shock Therapy, which
That was your first monster truck, that one, wasn't it?
Huh?
That was your first monster truck.
Yeah, this was my first one. And this is Superman, which has got a cape. See them, they're my news, and they're the ones after them. And they're the ones after them ones. Here we've got Ice Monster, which looks like ice in it. And this is Mohawk Warrior, which you can do is take the hair off, put it back on, like a tire one, but a hair one. And this is Samson with his big bulgy muscles. And this one is Gravedigger Legend. And that one's Gravedigger before Gravedigger Legend. So that one's called Gravedigger Legend. And that's called Gravedigger Legend. And this is Son of the Digger. You see the engine in there. And this one is an Avenger. It hasn't got a big very voltage, look.
No.
This is Northern Nightmare. This is Backdraft. And this one is Shocker. It's got a green glow on that bottom. This is Team Up with it. Got a yellow one. What's that?
Sheer Insanity.
And this is Sheer Insanity. It's got half of a green broom flag and half of that flag. Look, see that? That means he's got a green Brazilian flag. That's his name. That's got white, yellow, orange, and red. White, red. And this is a Wildcat, which is white and pink. And this is Time Fly, that is black, red and white, which has got spikes there, and they come with tattoos. And this is Predator with his eyes and teeth. And this is Lutus, has got eyes, teeth with a big dribble chain, air. That thing says Brutus, and it says Wild as well. There's his nose. And this is Excalibur Vintage, the old one. And this is Western Renegade with a tire on the back. And this is Max and Destruction, there's a monster. And this is Bunny's Clothes Fast, which is Aftershock Feather Paint. And this is Grave Digger. And this is Excalibur. Now, what's that for this? Look at that guys. That one is Massive Son of the Digger. Massive King Crunch. Ultra Loco. Grave Digger. You can see a big roaring engine there. And the last one is Lucasfilm Crusader. You can't really see that engine in that one. So, bye bye. That's the end.